Have you ever wished your child would listen to you, without shouting, without threats, without punishment? If yes, then listen carefully, because these 6 powerful secrets can change not only your parenting, but your entire life. And remember, the last one is the most precious. A child is like a blank sheet of paper. Whatever you write on it will shape the story of their life. Raise them with love, with wisdom, with patience, and they'll grow up strong, confident, and successful. When you keep scolding your child, they don't change, they rebel. But when you praise them, something magical happens. Their heart opens. They begin to trust you. Children move toward people who make them feel encouraged and appreciated. Praise doesn't have to be big or fake. It just needs to be real. And from the heart, say softly, "I'm proud that you finished your homework on time. I love how you helped your little brother. That's a beautiful thing." These small words create big results. When a child feels noticed, they act out of love, not fear. Every action has a result, good or bad. Teach this with love. Rewards don't always mean toys or gifts. Sometimes it's just extra play time, their favorite food, or a warm hug with the words, "Well done. I'm proud of you." But when mistakes happen, don't shout, be gentle. If your child skips homework, reduce playtime a little. Explain calmly why. When they see that good actions bring joy and bad ones bring limits, their thinking changes naturally. Never try to teach your child when they're angry or upset, because in that moment, their ears are closed, their heart is shut. If you talk then, they'll reject your words. The wise parent waits, then speaks later, calmly. Later, when they're calm, say softly, "Son, remember how upset you were yesterday? Imagine how peaceful it would have been if you had stayed calm." That's when your advice reaches, not their mind, but their heart. Not every problem needs an instant solution. Sometimes silence teaches more than shouting. Let your child make small mistakes so they can learn from them. If you correct every move, they'll stop thinking for themselves. If your child skips study one day to play outside, don't scold immediately. Wait. Later in the evening, talk softly and wisely. This teaches that problems should be solved peacefully, not emotionally. Parents often scold children for every small thing, spilling water, dropping toys, being a little naughty. But these are just parts of childhood. Ask yourself, is this mistake really serious? If not, let it go. When your child feels trusted, they become responsible. Ignoring small flaws builds confidence and strength. Remember, perfection is not the goal. Connection is. If parents are always angry, stressed, or shouting, children will mirror that behavior. They don't listen to words, they copy actions. So when you feel angry, take a deep breath, step away for a few minutes, then come back with peace. Your calmness becomes your child's safety. Your patience becomes their power. Raising a child isn't a fight for control. It's an art of love and wisdom. The more you treat them with respect, kindness, and affection, the more they'll follow you, not from fear, but from the heart. You're not just shaping their today, you're building their tomorrow. So tell me, which of these secrets will you try first? And remember, every day, learn something new, think something new, and do something new. That's how both you and your child will grow together.